we go. My favorite place in the Whites. We are doing Mount Pemigewasset, and as you can see, 1.5 miles to the peak, 3-mile hike. All trails said 3.7, but I don't know. We'll see. So just making our way, getting to the trailhead. Yeah, we just did Sugarloaf and did the, I don't know, 22-minute car ride. It's on the way back home anyway. Stop here and do one more mountain before we go home. So, Mount Pemigewasset, here we come. Chewy off leash in a minute. Alright. Well, we're about halfway there. A couple of people that passed me said it's busy up there, so there's a lot of people, but passed about 8 people coming down, so that's good. Plan to have lunch up there. It's almost 12:30, so hope we get up there by 1. More people. All right, see you guys at the top. Final push up to the peak. Ooh. Yep, final push up to the peak. Here we go. A lot of people. Stay.
That gives me anxiety. Oh, hell yeah. Did you GoPro, dog?
Epic views. Epic views. As you can see, it's pretty congested at the top. Found our own little spot, had some water, had a snack. I'm gonna save my oodles and noodles till we get back to the truck. Basically, because I forgot my summer sausage to put in it. So I'm gonna wait. But just great views of the Whites. Full balance. Alright, we're gonna take another lap around, look at some other stealth spots at the top, because there's a couple, and take a few pics, and then we'll head back down. Chewy's exploring. People are digging the GoPro. Chewy GoPro. Come on, Bubba. Atta boy. He's a good boy. Alright, here we go. just leaving the peak. It's just a little too busy for us, so a couple videos, took a few pics. That's it. Heading back down. Have lunch in the parking lot. Head home. Great hike. Highly recommend doing the Pemigewasset, Mount Pemigewasset. It's breathtaking views, as you can see. A lot of people, but just a lot of space where you can have your own little nook. Well, that's about it. A little over 3 mile hike. He's in and out looking at everything. He's having fun.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Hey there.
That was quick.
Jacket feels like a kid.
All right. A couple of these underpasses you gotta walk under. It's pretty cool. Right under the highway. We're just getting back to parking lots right up here. So, success. Great hike. Probably be back up in a couple of weeks. Probably do the Mount Cabot Horn Loop. And hopefully there's a little bit of snow. Wouldn't mind doing a little bit of snow trekking. It'd be nice. But that's it. Till the next hike. Happy trails. Chewy's up there somewhere. Chewy! There he is.